Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and a while back I was wondering how to put proof of my ACUE micro credential into LinkedIn, and I was so busy in the semester I just didn't have time to meddle around with this. But I have logged into the ACUE website, and I want to find the credential, and I'll show you how to find the badge as well that you could use to put in your email, perhaps, if you wanted to show off a little bit. Click on the micro credential, and then let's go to progress, and then here's the actual overall micro credential that represents all of these different sub modules. So let's click on that, and inspiring inquiry and lifelong learning in your online course completed July 15th of 2021. Right here is where I would copy to share the link, which is what I want to do in LinkedIn. Here's where you would download the badge. You could probably download this and then paste it into your email. Let's go over to my LinkedIn account. By the way, I noticed that Dr. Rush is announcing some cool things happening at Northwest. Thank you, Doctor. Let's go to Darrell Barnes, and let's go down to yes, licenses and certifications. I already picked up a couple of puzzle pieces to the ACUE certification, overall certification. Let's add one, and we're going to put the credential URL here. And then let's go back to the prior, let's go back to that prior tab, and let's pick up the title. And let's also notice too that, or re-notice that I completed this in July of 2021. We'll use that in just a moment as well. So let's paste the name here, and ACUE is the issuing organization, Association of College and University Educators, and it was July of 2021. That's when it was complete. And let's save it. Simply marvelous. There it is. So I've got one from March of 2021, July of 2021, and October of 2021. There's only one more puzzle piece that I'm missing for the overall certification, and we're supposed to do that one in the fall, I think, or it's offered perhaps. Let's click here and look at what the credential shows on this one we just uploaded, and there we go. Inspiring inquiry and lifelong learning, and it said it was awarded to Brother Barnes on July the 15th, and it describes what it's all about. What does that mean? Re-verify the badge. Last verified on May 4th. That's today. Let's click this and see what happens. Bing, bing, bing. Done. Okay, so you need this recipient's permission to verify their identity. Okay. I suppose I give myself permission to verify. It does not expire. It's issued here. It's issued by the board. Okay, interesting. Remember that the last puzzle piece that I'm missing, which someone else could be missing as well, is the using active learning strategies. That's the part that I'm missing. Looks like I've got some note-taking things going on that need to happen as well. Anyhow, mates, keep up the good work. I'm proud of you, and thank you to my school for giving us the opportunity to become better online teachers. This is very commendable. Thank you.